naked.
It's 9 a.m. on a Saturday. So up in there is where they churn the batter for the bread pops, cake pops. So Canadians are not very good with senses of time. Just open the door and come out. That's all you gotta do. If I would have known Bill was making pancakes, I would have come in and eat them with you.
Bill makes the best flaps.
I bet he does. Do you need help?
No, I'm good.
I brought your seat cushion.
Nice, thank you. It's for my bum.
This one's for Andrew Flair. Andrew Flair. Idiot. So I always hated when they put it in a brown bag because it makes you feel like you're doing something wrong. Like, oh hey, I just bought myself a beer to go fishing with. Where are we going?
Almost got me.
Yes. Wildlife Forever. Game Fisher 7.5. Lake X. Back in our glory days. Wouldn't you say this is the glory days?
On the Jimmy Bob boat.
Yes. Told you we'd get him. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, let me get him. His name's going to be, in honor of Easter, his name's going to be Jesus Christ. In a respectful way.
Jesus.
No exclamation. On the Easter egg Kevin. And that name was proclaimed on this Kevin before today. He's got like the Easter egg colors.
Yeah, that's a beaut.
Yeah, he's a beauty. A little less than a pound, but a good fish nonetheless. Very pale.
He is risen.
Nourishing.
Number 2.
Number 2, same spot. All right.
Beauty. Oh, careful.
I got it.
It's a beauty.
A little over half a pound, maybe 3/4 pound. So a little pale, but Easter Kevin,
Easter
Marianne.
Kevin. Number 2.
Jesus, they're eager to get back in the water today.
Yeah.
Put
Easter.
on that Kevin, like you were saying.
Yeah.
Fair game. They've all been about that size. Yours might be the biggest of the day. They're all about that size.
Color.
Yeah.
Real pale, real cold. This is Candito Vex.
Very good. Very nice. Do some trick shots. You know, I've never been to Roland Martin Marina, so I got to do cool things on my own. You should do it, right? I think.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
He got his third nice sized one right off this point here. Wow. Yeah, nice fish there.
That's the revival. I told you the fortunes changed.
Yes.
We had wind chimes.
Yeah.
We're praising Jesus.
Cardinals. Yeah.
That's for Jesus.
For today, yeah.
Revival. Thank you. Thank you. I told you he was there.
It was.
3 times in a row. What's his name?
Tony Pliers.
Tony Pliers. On the chartreuse.
On the chartreuse.
Every bait or every fish today has been on a Kevin. That says something.
That's true.
All right, I'll let you do your job.
Yeah. On Saturday. Yes, dude. That's what the name is, Chartreuse.
Ooh, he's another decent size.
Yeah, Chartreuse.
The average.
Yep.
Law of averages. All right.
Chartreuse.
High sharp. Ooh, 3 of 3.
Pulls in another one. 4.
Got it.
Oh, 4.
Okay. Relax.
There he is.
Cobra Kai.
Cobra
The
Kai.
size he's getting bigger by the day.
Cobra.
Like over and cold. His name's going to be Kublai Khan. Beautiful. It's cool to know that when we were here, the Cavs were champions.
Absolutely.
We still are, just not currently.
Very true.
So I'm not new. Ooh, see? One for the homies, one for the land, one for the sea, one for me. So I'm not new to the Samuel Adams game, but I've never tried. My name is actually Sam, thy mule, but never had the Sam 76. It's a little shorter, but frothy. Who's got a nice oaky afterbirth. That smells really good, IPA. Yeah. And you can always start American, too. Being a Canadian, you want to integrate yourself into the culture.
It's good to go with the big gulp, too.
Big gulp.
Because if you're going to take the time, you might as well just do it big.
Yeah, do it large. So cheers to the...
Cheers.
Cheers. Tribe. Not playing right now, but...
Hopefully will be soon.
Ooh, that's got like the nice lip on it. If you can see that, this lip is like a little more concave.
I see that.
So when you put it to your lip... Oh, that's delicious.
Decent one. I don't think he's 3 pounds, but he's.
Oh, he's got a nice fish on. Foul tipped him. Oh, he's got him.
Yep, got him.
Hell yeah. Dude, that's a nice bass.
Great bass. Thank God. Good fish.
Good fish. Good start. Hell yeah.
Finally.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, his name's gonna be Daisy.
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 Woo.
Daisy. So,
Yeah.
he's a good one.
Yep.
Got a little teeth.
Makings.
Got the pink butthole, so thank you, Daisy. Oh, thank God. That was a skunk waiting to be broken. Oh, that felt good. Thank you.
Terrific.
Very good. Whatever reason, they haven't moved up and in yet, so we're just taking our time. If you're not out here for leisure as well, even though you have a goal to catch fish, and you might as well just go home, because on a day like today, you would have quit already, you know?
Leisure.
So, leisure. And, I mean, you got to know being Canadian. I mean, up there, it's all leisure. People don't even go to work and shit.
Yeah, most of the sports we play are leisure.
Right. Except hockey. I guess that's leisure, too.
You take it at your own pace.
Right, exactly, yeah. But fish.
He's got one.
Yeah, a little Chuck Charles. Oh, sorry, that was not intentional. Same
Hell
as
yeah.
last time. Though. Going for the whole thing because we're getting.
Same bait. Yes, I will.
His name's gonna be Levinson Gould.
Okay.
Actually, no more Gould. It's Jan Levinson.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that's. I mean, what do I want to say? Remember that time out the A's and the B's? We're starting at A. This is getting towards B.
Okay.
We're actually doing the afters and the befores.
Okay.
So Levinson. Thank you, Levinson. It was also Earth Day this week, so it's Earth Weekend. Don't fucking litter. I'm sick of it. Follow us on Instagram, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's a good fish. That's almost 3. Oh, kill him! That paid off waiting, huh? Right over here.
Nice Kevin.
On the Kevin Chromium.
Yeah.
Chromecast.
Nice fish. We'll call him Kevin Chromecast.
Hard earned, just like last time. I got 2, and you got your first.
Yep. Perfect.
Chromecast, Kevin.
Nice.
It's a nice fish. Girth.
Girth. You want to try the scale?
Oh, 2.2. 2.2,
2.2,
2.2, 2.3, 2 and a quarter.
Sweet.
Nice.
Let him go. Kevin Chromecast.
Chromecast, Kevin.
Nice to see you.
Hard earned. Very hard earned. That was a lot of commotion. I woke up this morning saying I wasn't going to be Bobby. I bobbed a little right there.
There's a little.
But beer didn't spill.
Yeah, the beers are good. That's good.
All right.
Same bait.
See, I
Same.
like Canadians, but you're the only one I really have respect for. Besides Les Stroud and Gordon Lightfoot.
Okay.
You say it with force.
Yeah. Okay. So.
All right,
Here we go.
Spring, Kevin. Catch him again in the summer, then he'll still be Spring Kevin.
Yeah, probably.
A very soft beer. It's hard on the sole, but soft on the britches.
Kevin Charlie Daniels.
Is that his name?
Yeah.
Chuck Schwab.
He deals in stocks.
So a couple more. Personal best season numbers at Sweeney. He's a long guy.
So as referenced, Charlie Daniels.
He went down to Georgia, now he came back. He's
Yeah.
a long guy, not bad.
He's got a little battle scar, but
Yeah, that's okay. That shows he's tested, tried and true.
so back in the
Charles,
water as
number
usual.
3, number 5 total. Back. Oh, yeah, he's a decent one. Another 2.
Oh boy,
That's a good fish. This guy's about to get real pissed.
Fiber for
wake
your
up in the
diet.
morning, eat a bowl, and you're good to go.
Save yourself.
Yep. So we'll let him go.
When you're not, you're not.
All right. Yeah.
Definitely. Seems like it. Seems like it. Oh, he's a decent one too. On the crank. That's a good one too. It's another keeper. He's kicking my butt today. What is that, number 6?
Clarence Von Boyens.
Clarence Von Points, killing it. Well, I should have brought my green card because I must have emigrated here. We're in your country today.
Yeah. Skip Bayless's cousin, which
yeah.
I don't know his name, but that's him.
Yeah, that's fair enough. He's got cousins.
That's him.
All right, thank you. Another decent one. It's another 2. I'm getting my ass whooped today. Literally, it's a little slab.
Yeah, this is Kevin Belvins.
I just need to retire.
So back in the
What's
water.
his name?
Switchback.
Yeah, that's fine. That's how you get up and down. Ooh, that's a good fish. Just killing it. What do you have to say about the killing?
I should be sponsored by Cheetos. It sure is.
It's a good one, yeah. That's your biggest one of the day. That's your biggest one of the day. That might be your biggest one here ever.
Shit.
That's a tank.
Let's get him in the boat. Ladies and gentlemen.
Is he 212? He's 3 pounds?
3'3".
Just over 3.
What a view, huh?
You're fucking killing it.
What the fuck? This
live
lobster,
target.
it's just hitting the bottom.
That's why they
and I'm
cost-
getting the bite.
Right, that's why they cost $40.
Wow.
That's a beast.
We'll call this Ricky Bobby's crew chief.
Yeah, crew chief.
Jesus.
It's a solid one. Slab crappie.
Wow. Sweet.
Endorsed by Dave Maurice. As you can see, I'm eating a granola bar. He's catching a 10. 10 and 10. So you have double digits.
Bill Billionaire.
I like the double Antoine Chef.
Watch this.
So today is not my day. It's every man's day, just not mine. But it's still an every man's day.
Yeah.
I'd say it's manly. I have really cool guy hair because haircuts haven't been open for how long now? Like 6 weeks in Ohio. We're loosely based in Cleveland. I heard your dad put siding on your house.
Yeah, he did. Nail by nail. He doesn't even have a nail gun. He did it by hand.
That's all you need to know.
It could shatter the siding.
Concerto.
So that's your 11th total or 12th total? That's 12. A live target.
Yeah, bait ball.
About to spend $1,000 on them tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's his name?
Rubber bands.
Yeah, rubber bands. What a, it's manly. I mean, I almost just want to say we're leaving so you don't catch anymore. 13. That's 3 in a row, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've gotten 5 fish and 5 casts.
It's getting outrageous.
It is. Keep going. Fuck it. Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself. That was the name.
All right. Thank you. You're very welcome. Dinner.
I'm gonna need a pliers. Pliers de jour.
All right, hang on. I'm not even gonna film the rest of this one, but that's his name, Pliers de Jour.
Yeah.
I get to name one because you've caught so many.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy him. 14.
14. 14. No joke. To the jig and pulls out one. Hell yeah, that's a good one.
There's almost 2. Thank God. All right. Whoa. And then quality. As soon as I switch to the jig.
He switches to a
Taking
jig.
it off the bottom. Lazarus of the North. So thank you.
Ooh.
One more. Oh my God, thank you. Fuck.
So he's banging
I don't
bottom.
know what it's like.
15.
I'm gonna have you rub your tanks and put it on baits, and then we're gonna mail the baits out to all our loyal subscribers that want.
I want some of that
Number
finesse.
15.
Here it goes.
Ooh, Lil Nas X. Or knowledge is power. Good one. What do you mean he's not? That's a good one. That's another 2.
It's not bad.
16. So we voted 20. Show Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy, look at me. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, I like that. Assembly line.